right. So yes, got some battery. Can film our hotel, the Rose Heritage Hotel in Varanasi. And this is the view from the terrace. As you can see, it's a really nice building. Let's see what's going on out there. That's the view. We are on the main road. Unfortunately, it's really noisy. That's the only thing I want to complain about this hotel. The rest is perfect. The room is really nice. The hotel is really nice. Yes, here we are on the train to Agra. We left about an hour ago, and so this is our cabin, first class. Let's have a look at our cabin. We have two beds, but we're okay down here. What's going on out there? Passing. No, thank you. No, thank you. Hello. Oh, I thought I wanted some snacks. Hello. Feel weird doing this. Right, I'm back, and let's have a look outside the window. The landscape, you can't see much.
Farming, isn't it? People farming.
Yeah, people farming, but the glass windows are a bit yellowy.
You're a bit yellowy, aren't you?
Yes. I'm gonna take you to a tour of the train. Right, that's outside our cabin, the corridor. What's going on this side? More people. Oh, look. Snack man. And what's the view here? This is, well, everybody wants to see the toilet. Ta-da! So you got the Western style toilet.
What?